Don't have my microphone and stuff. Kind of here with the family. But thought I'd check it out for you guys. It's we're at the Torrance Nike outlet. See how it goes. This is like one of the smallest outlets in California, like the smallest one. They do have 30% off. They have 30% off the hash wall, so see what we can find. Let's check out the 10s. Check out the 10s. Oh, man, they tricking us again. Jordan KOs or something. I don't know what the hell that is. Let's see. Air Force Ones. React Flyknits. 175 though. Holy shit. Let's see what else they got. What else? Oh, excuse me. Some Vapor Max. What else? Free runs. Those look weird. $100 for those. Ooh. Is this? Ooh, got some. What are these? The Vin Bakers? 7s? Okay. 30% off. That's not bad. Some Vapor Max. $149, 30% off. Not bad. Some KDs. Oh, grip of KDs. Oh, some Hydro. What is this? Hydro 4s? Ooh. Well, I'm gonna have to get a price check on this. Here's some Protro 4s. Oh, that's the colorway that I want to. No, actually, I wanted the black one. Maybe I'll wait for the black one. These are sick. $175, 30% off. Oh, I thought they were the black ones. They're the white ones. Dang it. We're at the 10.5. Let's check out these. The Jordan 6s. $139, 30% off. That's a sick deal. Let's see. One of them mentioned that they have some the Protro 4s at 10.5. So I might have to ask them about that since they got one. Some LeBron 16. What are these? The Lavas for $200. Oh, that's retail. It's retail right there. Nothing crazy, yeah, nothing crazy. Someone already picked up them Kobe's. Somebody got 720s right here. 720s, 180. Yeah, they seem like they have a lot of returns here. A lot of returns at the Torrance store. Air Max Plus C, never seen those. 110 minus 30%. What else? Let's see, what else? Oh, these are cool. Oh, these are retail though. Vapor Max, 95. Air Force Denims. Oh, Air Force Denims, $130. Those are pretty cool. Some LeBrons, size 11s. LeBrons. Oh, I was like, what are these? Some cleats. Jordan 1 cleats. Bread cleats. Oh, I got tricked again. I thought these were what, the 10s? I thought they were the 10s. Nope. Zoom all out. Nothing much. The usual, the 312s. What the hell that is? The fadeaways, like the Mambas. Nothing great. The Kyrie 4s. Oh, excuse me. That's the Kyrie 5s. KD trays, LeBron soldiers. Nothing great. More elements, just usual elements. More elements. None of these are on sale too, so not really worth it. A few, nothing crazy. Air Max 2017. Nothing crazy. Ooh, those are kind of cool. Nothing really today. Nothing really. Look what I found. Found some Protro 4s. Going for retail. Let me try it on. Let me try it on. Surprisingly, these are not as comfortable. Well, they're comfortable, but the cushioning is just not as good as I thought they'd be. Not as good as the Protro ones. The cushioning's not as good as the Protro ones. Gonna have to go back. Gonna have to go back, you guys. My brother-in-law's doing the math, trying to see if he should get these LeBron 3 retros. He's an accountant, so he's sitting there doing the math, trying to figure out whether he should pick those up. Dang, I am sad. Sad to leave those. Sad to leave those on there. Dang it. Just not very comfortable though. Not very comfortable. Or not. Cushioning's just not as good. Can't justify spending $130 for some shoes that aren't as comfortable as these Protros. They're not as comfortable as the Protro ones. So can't do it, you guys. So I was killing myself trying to figure out if I should have bought them Kobe Protros, the Protro 4 Carpe Diems, if I should have bought them or not, and I really felt like I should have picked them up for what was it, 175 with 30% off, so it would have been like 130, 120 something, 130 something, whatever. But I looked it up. I looked it up on StockX, and the currently they're, the one person selling them, the lowest bidder is setting up, or lowest price seller is selling them for $215. But if you look at it, the last quite a few that have sold have all been, they're all different dates. It's weird how they set it up, but what the hell? Yeah, they're selling for well under retail. Well under retail. Most of them are 145, 160. So these are general release. It looks like they're not selling that well. So looks like I'm gonna probably be able to pick it up. I'm pretty confident I'm gonna be able to pick them up at the outlets for significantly cheaper than 170. What did I see them for? 145 or something, 130, whatever. So I think I made a good decision. Good. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys, make sure you press that subscribe button. I'm gonna make sure I bring you guys some awesome content, and hopefully you guys come back. Thanks.